Learning objectives. After completing this module, learners will be able to define environment and understand its types and their characteristics. Describe and understand the kinds of natural environment. Define and underline the spheres of the natural environment and their uses. Define an ecosystem and know about its characteristics. Describe the human environment and its important elements. Understand the need for humans to conserve environment. The study of environment. Environment. The surroundings around us that support our basic life constitute the environment. It comprises of both natural and man-made, that is, human phenomena. All that is present around us, including the nature, living organisms, places, buildings, people, air, water, is part of the environment. Natural environment. This comprises of both biotic, that is living, and abiotic, that is non-living phenomena. Plants, animals, and other organisms are basically living biotic elements. Abiotic elements are non-living, such as land, air, etc. Natural environments comprise of four important spheres: the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere, that is, the land, water, air, and living organisms. Lithosphere is the domain of land that is available as forests, grasslands, mountains, residence for human settlements, etc. Water bodies such as rivers, oceans, ponds, seas, and other resources form the hydrosphere. The thin protective layer of air that surrounds the Earth is the atmosphere. It is held together by the gravitational force of the Earth. It contains a variety of gases, water vapor, and dust, and shield us from harmful rays, the sun's heat, etc. Any changes in the air impact the weather and the climate. The living world consisting of plants, animals, and other organisms constitute the biosphere. It is a narrow zone of the Earth where life is supported by land, water, and air. Ecosystem. This is the system formed due to relations between living organisms with each other and the physical and chemical factors of the surroundings around them, interlinked by the transfer of energy and material. For instance, a healthy natural pond ecosystem consists of a pond of water, fishes, frogs, some algae, etc. Each helps the other for existence and draws energy in form of food. Without water, the pond will fail to sustain itself as well as the other linked organisms. It gets water from the natural water cycle connected with the atmosphere. An aquarium, on the other hand, can be termed as an artificial or man-made ecosystem. The human environment. Human environment consists of man-made phenomena that constantly modify the natural environment with time and age to suit human needs. Sometimes, these actions transform and even destroy the natural surroundings. A list of human-made objects includes machines, roads, buildings, cars, electronics, computers, games, ready-to-eat food, etc. There are various components of the human environment: community, education, religion, the individual, and political situation. A group of individuals can form communities and influence decision-making for the good of the environment. This is dependent on how educated, how religious, and how politically inclined these communities are. When there is more awareness, people take better decisions with regard to preserving the natural environment. There are numerous examples of how humans have modified the environment to suit their growing needs. Constructing roads, growing crops, the barter system, industrial revolution, development of information technology, etc. Since the development in terms of economy began, the environment has had to pay a price. More trees were felled to create roads, buildings, etc. The barter system for exchange of goods gave way to currency and hence making of paper and coins. All these have destroyed several forests in the bargain over a period of time. Humans must learn how to preserve their natural surroundings in a harmonious way and learn to coexist. Celebrating the World Environment Day, the Earth Hour, etc., creates awareness on preserving the natural environment. This will help in sustenance of several species of living organisms. There needs to be a shift to simple living in order to conserve natural resources. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. The surroundings around us that support our basic life constitute the environment. Natural environment is made of biotic, that is living phenomena, or abiotic, that is non-living phenomena. Natural environments are based out of four spheres: the lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere. That is, the land, water, living organisms, and air around us. Ecosystem is the system formed due to the relations between living organisms with each other and the physical and chemical factors of the surroundings around them, interlinked by the transfer of energy and material. Human environment consists of man-made phenomena that constantly change the environment around it to suit their needs. Community, education, individual, political situation, and religion are important components of human environment. Human environment has been changing since olden times through several processes such as growing of crops, industrial revolution, etc., and inventions such as the wheel.